So finally, Rinku ki Shadi ka vlog is going out now, and I've done the editing, everything now. I sat, I did all the editing part because I've got an off today, so it's like I'm good now. I'm good. Now, also many of you might be surprised to see my new look, short hair one. So this I've done long back, like maybe 2 weeks. I don't remember properly. So I was waiting for all this lockdown to get open and the shops to open. So I went to Habib's. I did my haircut and finally got rid of long hair, but I missed it. I missed it. Anyways, I'm taking care of my health and hair now. So it will grow soon, and also vlog me. My hair is long and now it's short, so it will be a bit surprising factor again. But anyways, so if you like the video, go like, share, subscribe, and what else? Nothing. Just go like it and enjoy it. Bye. And yeah, I'll be posting new vlog again, and it's gonna be a surprise again. And let's hope that this vlog comes to be good, because finally I've come up with a vlog after a long time. So let's hope. Hello! So I'm shooting after a very long time, a long span, and a long break. So in these few months, I've been very busy with things, and many of my friends know that in what things I was busy. So I was busy with things, doing stuffs and all, and with new things that were coming my way. So I got no time. I had a bit of time, but still something or the other came. I made a vlog also, and I shot it. I did everything, but then again, time and post nahi kar pai. So it was a nice vlog, a nice thing, a nice small clip, and maybe I should post it, but I'll post it after this. So this vlog, this is a very special vlog for me, a very very special vlog for me, and why it is special, I'll tell you. Because it is a bachelorette vlog. Yes, a bachelorette vlog, and my best friend Rinku going to get married on this 25th. Okay, so I will be posting this vlog on 26th or 27th after her marriage, and because we don't want anyone to know about our marriage, and so we'll give a shock to everyone whosoever sees this, and after that they'll text me on WhatsApp or call me or call Rinku and ask her randomly that, are you got married? You got married? So yes, this is the vlog, and it's gonna be about complete bachelorette preparation. So tomorrow is her bachelorette. So basically, our government again gave us a very big tension, lockdown. So again lockdown, and we don't have much things because of these ongoing curfews that are going on. So I don't have many things or many stuffs. So what we thought, that in the simplest form or in the basic thing what we can utilize, we will use that, and we will try to find out the things that we have at our own places, or maybe go out and get something from shops. So me and my roommate, we're gonna go out, we're gonna search for things, and we're gonna get here back. And yes, the party is here, and we have bought things from Amazon. I ordered few stuffs from Amazon, so I'm gonna share with you that also. Basically, it's her wedding gift and two of my friends' wedding gift. So we'll get to see both of them in vlog. Rinku is going to get married, while the other one her gift was pending since long. So now after her marriage, we met on my birthday. Yeah, I didn't do any vlog on my birthday also. Despite I cut around 8 to 9 cakes, almost celebrated for a week. And people gave me taunts like Diwali से ज़्यादा मेरा birthday चल रहा है and all. But still appreciated. I appreciate all my friends for taking out time for me and giving me all these surprises and all. So let's go on the track again and not move out here and there. So this vlog is special to me, and she doesn't know that we are giving her this surprise. She knows that something is there. We have called her for something, but she has no idea ki what is it about. And yeah, so the budget of this bachelorette is 3,000. 3,000. So 3,000 may we are going to plan everything from food to things of decoration and all the gifts and all. Yes, including gift, including food, everything, whatever is it. And I'll be writing down the prices also, so that whosoever has their own bachelorette or any one of your friends or in your group there's some bachelorette, you can refer to this vlog and refer to the shops that I went, and even for food. So food, we decided that we're gonna head to a place here, as I stay here in Kharadi. So we're gonna head to a place called Rajasthani Rasoi, and that is a very nice place. Okay, basically it's a small mess, you may say, but yes, it is so nice. You get such good home cooked food. So obviously you, and Rinku Marwadi, so I'm gonna give her the proper thali, Rajasthani food. Eat whatever you want, but yeah, eat. So I'm gonna give her this, and gift. So gift, it is a bit naughty. And also the cake. So I showed my roommate that the cake we're gonna order, and her expression were like, budget that fits us, we're gonna head towards that. And cake, I make sure that I made this sure that cake सबसे ज़्यादा budget में हो, because this cake, the things I don't remember, the adult cakes that we are going to order. So it is basically very it is like different, and also it is expensive. So the thing that 3,000, food, decorations and everything you need to check out, so it will become difficult. And if the cake is only of 2,000, 3,000, then what about the rest thing, the gifts, the decoration part and everything? And so what we thought, that we will tell our own friends who are here and who can do this, the new chefs, so who can do this. So we referred to them, few of them, and few of my friends, I asked them also to get me the price list and for the best thing. So we gone through the price rates, we discussed this in the group, and then we thought of a solution that yeah, we can go ahead with this one, and even if one thing doesn't goes into the cake, it's fine. The main thing is coming in the cake, so we don't care about it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the cake also in my vlog, and most of my family members are gonna get surprised for this. Why is she posting this vlog? Why after so long, and then to this vlog she's gonna post? So also, Rinku, after getting married, I'm gonna post this vlog for you, okay? So that after marriage no one says anything to you also. And yes, Rinku, we love you. Happy married life. And this is my second wedding vlog. No, the first, yeah, second, I don't remember, shit. First bachelorette vlog, and the first was wedding vlog. Yeah, wedding and bachelorette, different vlogs. So now soon I'll be doing some random Godbharai vlog or anything vlog. The vlogs are vlogs. So let's go ahead, let's get fresh now, and we need to do many things, and only one day, and we need to do a lot of things, and I have a very less time. So let's go out. It's almost 1 o'clock now. So if you see, सब कुछ मतलब सब कुछ बंद है, नथिंग इज़ ओपन। तो बहुत ही मुश्किल से आफ्टर सर्चिंग, गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ शॉप्स, कॉलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ vendors and a lot of shopkeepers, we got a shop here. So me and my roommate just came and let's go and get it done.
वाइट में लगा ट्रांसपेरेंट नेट का उधर महावीर में
So on the way back we forgot few things जल्दी में. So now we again roam the entire area and वो शॉप भी बंद हो गया था. So फिर से घूमे we found भैया गिफ्ट पैकिंग पेपर चाहिए.
एक दो
ठीक है, दो दे दो. So we are here in Shinde Dairy now, और we got tired of roaming, shopping and few things we did not get also. So we are tired of that. So we thought कि हमें कुछ खाना चाहिए and इसीलिए हम आ गए हैं खाने के लिए. Yes. So Mahiri and I bought this. This is mango sandwich and this is malai sandwich. Now this is partial. ये partial actually partiality किया है. जेली दिया है एक में नहीं दिया है. Well anyways mango मेरा है. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. This is the best dairy, you know, in Kharadi, and this is the best place you can see. And if you see the area also, the entire atmosphere here is very warm. बहुत बार हम लोग आते हैं और enjoy करते हैं यहाँ पे. You get amazing, fresh milk-made stuff if you like. Ghee, butter, also mastani and lassi are my favorite. So do come here, do visit once. Shinde Dairy, Kharadi. I don't know, maybe I'll show you the link. यहाँ का. Okay, bye bye. Hello, welcome back. So almost सब कुछ हमने ले लिया है. Okay, everything is done. And finally I'm very tired. हमने ये भी किया है क्योंकि मेरा ही बर्थडे का लगा था. Yes, we bought something new things like fringes. So I'll give you all the cost also. Okay, बहुत ही affordable is decorations. So you can show the entire room. It is completely mist as a girl's hostel should be. And yes, after this, let's see how it becomes, how it changes. So let's go back and work. Hello, good morning, and almost we are done with this preparation. और नींद बिल्कुल नहीं हुई है. No one has slept properly. मनु सुबह सुबह आई है for the decoration and Manu, yes, Manu is here. मनु का अलग सीन है और वो मनु हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन क्लोजेस्ट सब वो आई है एंड ऑल्सो माहिदी बिजी है, माहिदी बेचारी। ओ नो ओ नो
Oh no Mahidi.
डेकोरेशन चल रही है और अब हम देखते हैं कि इसके बाद क्या होता है। तो अभी भी बहुत चल रहा है। इफ यू सी
मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, वो लॉन्ग
लेकर आ जाओ। अब हम केक लेने जा रहे हैं एंड केक का बहुत केओस हो गया था। इट वाज नॉट सो केओटिक ऑल्सो बट स्टिल अ बिट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, अ बिट हरी भरी एंड मेनी थिंग्स हैपेंड फॉर द केक। सो नाउ अभी हम पेट्रोल पंप पे है एंड देन विल हेड टुवर्ड्स कोथरूड फॉर द केक। बाय द वे द केक इज लाइक एन adult cake and specially meant for bachelorettes. So yes, and I'll be sharing you the name of the cake person also, the baker who's gonna make it, and I hope it's tasty and it's nice and I hope things go well. As you know, I haven't slept for almost entire day and it's just 2-3 hours of sleep that I've got, not even properly due to this summer and all, but still I am drained now and no more energy left. Let's go and grab it. और कोथरूड में and now this is the cake shop. So the cake shop's name is AK's Cake Maker. So almost हम अभी बढ़ते हैं आगे की ओर, चलते हैं।
Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells you they love you, you're gonna believe that. Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells you they love you, you're gonna believe that.
हम तो ऐसे टूटे फूटे से थम थड़म से दिन दहाड़े बैठे बैठे गिर गए मुंह के बल यूं हमने सोचा हमें तो भाई सब पता है मिल रही इस गलत फहमी की सजा है